Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Tequila Sunrise cocktail. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need tequila, fresh orange juice, and grenadine. Make sure you have a tall highball glass, plenty of ice, and a spoon for mixing. Don't forget your garnishes, an orange slice and a bright red maraschino cherry to complete the look. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the base of our delicious Tequila Sunrise. First, fill your highball glass generously with ice cubes. Next, carefully measure and pour 2 ounces of your favorite tequila directly over the ice. Follow that with 4 ounces of fresh, chilled orange juice. Give it a gentle stir with a long spoon to ensure the tequila and orange juice are well combined and evenly chilled before the next step. This is where the magic happens and our cocktail gets its iconic name. Take 1/4 ounce of grenadine and slowly pour it down the inside edge of the glass. Do not stir it in. The grenadine is heavier than the other liquids, so it will naturally sink to the bottom, creating a beautiful gradient from red to orange, mimicking a sunrise. This layering is key to the drink's visual appeal. To complete your Tequila Sunrise, it's time for the finishing touches. Take a fresh orange slice and place it on the rim of your glass. Then, add a bright maraschino cherry, either on the rim or dropped into the drink for an extra pop of color. Your beautiful and refreshing Tequila Sunrise is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor its vibrant flavors and stunning appearance. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.